welcome back to my Java tutorials. So in this channel I make Java videos every day, so if you're new, consider subscribing. So in my previous video I taught you Java math.absolute and why do we use it, and that you should always put the parentheses after every method you write, the parentheses, and if you don't write the methods, then it will simply give you an error. Okay, so in this video we're gonna be discussing about Java Math.pow. Math.pow method. No, it's not like pow. No, it's just like pow. Power just it simply means power, or we can also say exponent. Yeah, like exponent. Okay, so to avoid any confusion or you don't really understand that much, some examples by using Java math.pow method. Okay, so first of all, we'll start by writing int a or any value, variable name equals to 12, and then we'll write another variable, which is gonna be our second variable. Int b is equals to 2, and then we're gonna write system.out.println, then our parentheses. Inside the parentheses you'll write math.pow. And no, you should not write math.pow. You should not write math.power like this. No, like it won't work, you know. Like you should write it just like pow. P writing that, and simply just write parentheses after pow, so that Java can know that you are writing a method. Okay, and then inside our parentheses we're gonna be writing a and then comma b. So a comma b. So we're just simply separating these two values by a comma. And if we don't separate them by a comma, then AB, it will look weird. Like it will look like ab or some stuff like that. And so, and if we don't want to do that, or concatenate our variable names like that, or if it looks too weird, and also it's gonna give you an error, so you have to put a comma. Okay, and never forget to put the comma to separate these two values. We're gonna execute this code. It's gonna give us the result 144. And no, it's not like what you're thinking. 12 times 2. No, it's not 12 times 2. Well, it's simply 12 times 12. It's 12, 12 is like multiplying itself, like with the 2, like 12 exponent 2, or 12 to the power of 2. We're not multiplying 12 times 2, else it's gonna give us the result 24. We're just simply doing 12 times 12. So it's gonna be like 2 times, like we're repeating 12 2 times. Like I'm saying that we're multiplying 12 by itself another time, so it's gonna be 12 times 12, which is gonna give us the result 144. And also you can write this exact same code or math.pow method by using another way. So I will just simply delete this int a and all of that stuff, you know, and then and also this one. Okay, now There's another method to write this math.pow method, which is simply by using system.out.println sysout, shortcut of system.out.println. Inside the parentheses, we're gonna write again math, math.pow. It simply just wrote my like two variables and then separated them by a comma automatically. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. So math.pow inside the parentheses, we're gonna be writing our values, two values, and then separating our two values by a comma. Okay, so yeah, we're not gonna write any variable name because we haven't created like int a or int b, you know. So we are just simply gonna write our values that we want to like multiply, like for example 12 and then 12, like 12, like it's 12 times 12, like, you know, it's gonna repeat 2 times. So yeah, just keep in mind, okay, that it's not 12 times 2, but instead it's 12 times 12. Or we can also, or it's also 12 exponent, yeah, 12 exponent 2, or 12 to the power of 2. Or I'll just simply change our values and then comma 15. Not 15. It's gonna give us such a big value, you know. So yeah, 15 and then 2. Okay. Now when we execute this code, it's gonna give us the result 225. So it's not doing 15 times 2, but instead 15 times 15. And yeah, guys, in today's video, we just learned math.pow, or also known as math.power method in Java, and why do we use it, and you should always separate two values by a comma, and every time you write a method, you have to always write the parentheses every time you write like a method, you know. You always have to write these parentheses. It's obligatory. If you don't write this, Java will think this is like a variable name and cannot be resolved, or it is not in a field. And so we need to write it inside the parentheses, our two values. It depends if we simply just directly printed our result of the power by using system.out.println directly, or by using int a or int any variable name, or like two variable names. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so it will remind you whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.